हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे.
हरे कृष्ण। सरितीर्गतं कृष्णं भग्नार्जुनमथाह्वयत् रामं च रोहिणी देवी क्रीडन्तौ बालकैर्भृशम् नोपेयातां यदाहूतौ क्रीडासङ्गेन पुत्रकौ यशोदां प्रेषयामास रोहिणी पुत्रवत्सलाम् क्रीडन्तं सा सुतं बालैः अतीवेलं सहाग्रजम् यशोदा जोहवीत् कृष्णं पुत्रस्नेहस्नुतस्तनी कृष्ण कृष्ण अरविन्दाक्ष तात एहि स्तनं पिब अलं विहारै शुच्छान्तः क्रीडाशान्तोऽसि पुत्रक हे रामागच्छ ताताशु सानुजः कुलनन्दन प्रातरेव कृताहारः तद्भवान् भोक्तुमर्हति प्रतीक्षते त्वां दाशार्हः भोक्ष्यमाणो व्रजाधिपः एह्यावयो प्रियं देहि स्वगृहान् यातु बालकाः धूलीधूसरिताङ्गस्त्वं पुत्रमज्जनमावह जन्मरक्षमद्य भवतो विप्रेभ्यो देहि गाशुचिः पश्य पश्य वयस्यांस्ते मातृमृष्टान् स्वलङ्कृतान् त्वं च स्नातः कृताहारो विहरस्व स्वलङ्कृतः इत्थं यशोदा तमशेष इत्थं यशोदा तमशेषशेखरम् मत्वा सुतं स्नेहनिबद्धधीर्नप हस्ते गृहीत्वा सह राममच्युतं नीत्वा स्ववाटं कृतवत्यथोदयम्.
Radhe Krishna. Super. Saritira Krishna and Balarama and all the boys have gone to play. It's been a long time now. So Rohini mother has come to try and bring them home, but they're not listening to her. So she's like the best person is let me send Yashoda. So she has sent Yashoda. So Yashoda has come. She's looking at these children and she's talking to Krishna and to Balarama. Krishna Krishna Aravindaksha. अरे सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं. You have to eat something. Please come. Alam viharaihi. You can play later. For now, stop playing. Kshut shantah. You're going to be very hungry and tired from playing without eating. Krida shrantosi. Rama, you come. If you come, he will also come. Hey Rama agacha tata. Your elder brother, no? You have to set good example for younger brother. So you come, he will also come. Pratikshate tvam dasharha. It happens to be Rohini Nakshatra that day. So he's saying, she's saying, Jan Marksha Madhya Bhavato. Your father is waiting. You come, do Mangalasnana. Because there are so many people waiting for you to do Dhanam. They will consider it a big blessing to get Dhanam from your hand. Your father can give, but now he'll put it in your hand and you give the Dhanam. The people receiving it are going to feel so blessed. Viprebhyo dehi suchi. See, some of your other friends, they have gone home. Their mothers have given them good Mangala Snana and they're all wearing nice clothes. See, they are nicely decorated. Pashya pashya vayam syanste. Matramrishtan swalankritane. You also finish your snana. You also get dressed. You also eat. Then you can come and play. So saying, one hand she is holding Krishna's hand, another hand she is holding Balarama's hand. Who are these? Parabrahma Swarupa. She is holding on one hand the other, and she is bringing them home. They are walking with her. Haste grihitva Saha Ramam Achyutam. Haste grihitva Saha Ramam Achyutam. Hare Krishna. What a blessing, no? She's walking, holding the hands. One hand she is holding Krishna's hand, other hand she is holding Balarama's hand, and both these boys are walking with her. Analda Amba Yashode Tvam Pranamami. Any Vatsalya Bhakti you get, it is because of the blessing of Yashoda Devi.
गोपवृद्धा महोत्पातान् अनुभूय बृहद्वने नन्दादयः समागम्य व्रजकार्यममन्त्रयन् तत्रोपनन्दनामाः गोपो ज्ञानवयोधिकः देशकालात् तत्त्वज्ञः प्रियकृत् रामकृष्णयोः उत्ताव्यमितमोऽस्माभिः गोकुलस्य हितैषिभिः आयान्त्यत्र महोत्पाता बालानां नाशहेतवः मुक्त कतचिद्राक्षस्य बालज्ञा बालको ह्यसौ हरेर् अनुग्रहान्नूनम् अनश्चोपरिनापतत् चक्रवातेन नीतोऽयं दैत्येन विपदं वियत् शिलायां पतितस्तत्र परित्रातः सुरेश्वरैः यन्न म्रियेत द्रुमयोर् अन्तरं प्राप्य बालकः असावन्यतमो वापि तदप्यच्युतरक्षणम् यावदौत्पातिकोरिष्टो व्रजं नाभिभवेदितः तावत् बालानुपादाय यास्यामोऽन्यत्र सानुगाः वनं वृन्दावनं नाम पशव्यं नवकाननं गोपगोपी गवां सेव्यं पुण्याद्रि तृणविरुधं तत्राद्यैव यास्यामः शकटान्युक्तमाचिरम् गोदनान्यग्रदो यान्तु भवतां यदि रोचते तच्छ्रुत्वैकदियो गोपाः साधु साध्वति स्वादिनः व्रजान् स्वान् समायुज्य ययूरूढपरिच्छदाः वृद्धान् बालान् स्त्रियो राजन् सर्वोपकरणानि च अनस्वारोप्य गोपाला यत्ता आत्तशरासनाः गोदनानि पुरस्कृत्य शृङ्गाण्यापूर्य सर्वतः तूर्यघोषेण महता ययुः सह पुरोहिताः गोप्यो रूढरथानुत्न कुचकुङ्कुमकान्तयः कृष्णलीला जगुः प्रीता निष्ककण्ठय सुवाससः तथा यशोदा रोहिण्याम् एकं शकटमास्तिते रेजतु कृष्णरामाभ्यां तत्कथा श्रवणोत्सुके वृन्दावनं सम्प्रविश्य सर्वकालसुखावहम् तत्र चक्रुर्व्रजावासं शकटैर्र्धचन्द्रवत् वृन्दावनं गोवर्धनं यमुनापुलिनानि च वीक्ष्यसीद् उत्तमा प्रीति राममाधवयोर्नृप.
Well done. Vrindavanam Govardhanam Yamuna Pulinani cha Vikshyasid Uttama Priti Rama Madhavayor Nripa. Yeah, now scene is going to switch Gokula Leela to Vrindavana Leela. Going to switch from Vatsalya Bhakti to Sakhya Bhakti. The next stage of affection that the children experience is friendship. Children always want to play with their friends because there is a certain affection. Suhrit. That's why Krishna says, I am the Suhrit for everybody. That bhakti is going to start. Gopavruddha. All the Gopas, they have seen so many utpatas, so many dangers in Gokul, one by one. So they are holding a meeting to discuss. In that meeting, there is Upananda. Jnana Vayodikaha Gopaha Tatra Upananda Nama Aha. Upananda. He is chairing the meeting. He is got great ability to look at the place, the time, the appropriate action for that place, time, and circumstance. And most importantly, he wants to do what is best for Balarama, what is best for Krishna. Priyakriti Rama Krishna Yoho. Hitaishibi. He says, you know, so many things have been happening which are actually geared towards the trouble, destruction, and otherwise of the children. And only by great grace of Hari, Harehe Anugrahat, Harer Anugrahat, some Rakshasi came who was famous for killing children. Luckily, Krishna escaped. That huge cart broke and fell down. Luckily, it did not fall on him. Some whirlwind came, some typhoon. It lifted and took this Krishna so high, and then it turned out to be a Rakshasa. Luckily, Krishna escaped there also, one by one. And now see these two trees. We are supposed to rest under the trees. Those trees have fallen. So I think maybe we need a small change of scene. Climate change चाहिए. स्वास्थ्य के लिए अच्छा रहेगा. It'd be good for health if we get a change of scene. He's proposing. Let us go to Vrindavan. It's quite close by. And the scouts who have gone there, they come back and report that the grass is extremely delicious for the cows and the calves. The trees, the fruits are fantastic. Flowers are great. Yamuna, of course, is there. So maybe we should go there. Gopa Gopi Gavam Sevyam Punyadri Trina Virudham Tat Tatra Adyaiva Yasyama. Let us go today. Not waste any more time. Abhi nikalte hain. Everybody is ready. Somebody says, this is good for Balarama, this is good for Krishna, the whole population is ready. And Rama went, everybody wanted to go, no. That was a sad scene. Here people are delighted. Let's go. Everybody is dressed up so well for this journey. They have collected all their belongings. Everything has been loaded in various carts. Godanani puraskritya shringani apurya sarvatah. Beautiful music is being played. All the calves and the cows, they are the ones who are leading the way, because Krishna is going to now transform into Gopala. Therefore, all the cows and the calves are delighted. They are leading the way. All these people are in various carts. They are all coming. Everybody is moving. All the gopis, Rudha Ratha, Krishna Leela, Jagupneetha. Everybody is singing Krishna Kirtana. Because Krishna Kirtanam, you see, no? You sing Govinda Shatakam, your heart feels so happy. Ananda Saha Nanda Grihe Premika Hridaye. That Ananda comes into the Premika Hridaya. So everybody is singing. And this Yashoda and Rohini, they are both in one cart. Ekam Shakatam. And the two children are also with them, because the children enjoy what their mothers say to them, and the mothers, they enjoy the way the children are speaking. Kalabhashana. Rejatu Krishna Ramabhyam Tatkata Shravanotsuke. This Vrindavana, it doesn't matter what time of the year, what season, what time of the week, what paksha, whether it is Ekadasi or Chaturthi, whether it is morning or evening, afternoon or night, Sarva Kala Sukhavaham. What is this Vrindavanam? The person reads Bhagavatam, their heart becomes Vrindavanam. all these cows, all these calves, all these gopis, all these gopas, all the wealth from their homes, including the big wealth of Balarama and big wealth of Krishna, everything comes into your heart and it forms a beautiful necklace around your heart. That is what they are saying. Shakataihi Ardha Chandravat, half moon formation. Everybody has reached Vrindavanam. Balarama and Krishna are looking at Vrindavanam, are looking at the mountain Govardhana, they are looking at the river Yamuna, they are looking at all the Nikunjas. Vrindavanam Govardhanam Yamuna Pulinani cha Vikshyasit Uttama Priti Rama Madhavayor Nripa. Sukabrahmam himself is so excited because he knows all the leelas that are coming, all the Vatsalya Bhakti that is coming, all the Madhurya Bhakti that is coming, everything is going to happen in Vrindavan. So he is so happy and he says, Vikshyasit Uttama Priti. Priti means happiness. Uttama Priti. Krishna and Balarama are so happy.